Hello, my name is Bimal Pereira, representing LB Finance. We are happy at the opportunity to present our case at the SLASCOM National Ingenuity Awards. We are competing under the Best Innovation in Internal Process category, and I'm happy to take you through the presentation now. Let's look at the problem first, what we have tried to innovate and revamp. Financial institutions have so far not been very successful in using digital technology to cater to the credit demand of the bottom of the pyramid customers. Various factors have affected this. Small ticket size, the subprime credit history, irregular income patterns, and the high cost in loan recovery have discouraged lending to the MSMEs, informal sector, and also certain credit facilities that are designed to this sector by their very nature require frequent rental collection, sometimes even daily, weekly, which is a very cumbersome experience to the customer, as well as it involves a higher recovery effort from the agents. And when you have multiple credit facilities, there is the tendency to overlap and leads to unintentional delays and missing payments, and sometimes having to pay overdue payments. So this is the problem that we've tried to address. And with this problem, there's also an opportunity that has been created. As you know, about 5.5 million of the adult population in Sri Lanka, according to a World Bank study, are looking for some form of credit, not necessarily from the formal sector, but some form of credit. And most of the adults in Sri Lanka do have a bank account under their name, and about 9 million compatible smartphones, compatible enough to use a financial app, are available in the country. And if you take Sri Lanka's common payment infrastructure, they've seen a significant improvement in the payment products over the last decade. So we made use of this opportunity, what is available in the market, and come up with a solution, which is to address the necessity for having a very effective loan recovery mechanism, because loan recovery is as important as loan underwriting for a financial institution. So our solution must be capable of giving us the scalability and cost efficiency. It must also be capable of withstanding external shocks, especially during the pandemic time, and must have the robustness to counter willful defaulters. So our solution is called CIM scheduled payment. It's a complete revamp of the traditional business process involving loan recoveries. The key outcomes, so it has our CSP the acronym we use, has optimized the cost and the effort of loan recovery process through a secure automated digital recovery process. We have leveraged companies' own digital asset, which is CIM digital wallet. And we've also used the common payment infrastructure available in the country, which is JustPay, to connect the borrower's bank account to CIM wallet. The convenience of automatic settlement using CSP has enhanced overall borrower experience and brought about a very disciplined loan servicing habit among them. Benefits to the organization, of course, in the last 12 months since we launched, we've made over 19,000 successful loan recoveries and recovered over 100 million rentals or loans from the MSME sector, informal sector. We've only applied this to the MSME sector. Non-financial benefits, it has reduced the need to have a very large pool of recovery agents and to send constant reminders. And from the customer's point of view, the cost and the effort of making frequent small loan repayment is no more, and there are no delays or overdue payments because of this automated recovery. I won't take too much time explaining the process flow. So from the admin end, from the back end, we set up the schedule, loan recovery schedule, and push that for the customer's wallet. Customer has to accept this and give us the approval to top up his wallet and pull money from the connected bank account. And every time money is topped up from the bank account for the purpose of loan recovery, customer is duly notified to the notification. So there's complete visibility and transparency. We've also improvised over this technology. There is the option to do partial recoveries. This is actually, makes the process more efficient, especially against delinquent customers who do not have sufficient funds in their bank account to make the full repayment of the rental. So we make partial recoveries that makes the process more efficient. And there's also an option to manually execute these schedules in case for some technical failure, if the schedule has not been executed properly. For the demonstration of what I just explained. And there is also the option of commercializing this solution. CSP can be used for any frequency-based scheduled recovery of debts, credit cards, subscriptions, rental payments, or vendor payments, and so on and so forth. What you need is an API integration with the CSP backend. And then with that, this automation can be commercialized for the use of third parties as well. That we come to the conclusion of our presentation. Thank you.